In this video, I'm going to show you how to get faster load times on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can speed up your computer and get faster load times. And the first method is by heading over to your Start menu, searching for Settings, and then clicking on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select Apps, and then click on Startup. Now here's a list of all of the applications that automatically load up every time we turn on our computer. Now one of the best ways for improving performance and speeding up your load up times is to actually disable as many of these applications as you can. In fact, on my computer here, you can see I have all of these turned off. So what you need to do is just go through this list and toggle off any applications that you don't need starting up when you turn on your computer. And then once you've done that, you can just come back out of this window. The next thing we're going to do is click on Installed Apps. And then using this sort by drop down, we want to order it from size large to small. Now this is going to show you all of the applications you have installed on your computer from the largest applications to the smallest. So once again, I would recommend go through this list, and if there are any applications you don't need on your computer and you can save a little bit of space, then just go ahead and install this by clicking these 3 horizontal dots and pressing uninstall. So once you've uninstalled any unnecessary or any unused applications, the next thing we're going to do is click on System from the left-hand side, scroll down and select Storage, and then make sure you have this Storage Sense feature turned on and enabled like this, and then click on Clean Up Recommendations. Then what you're going to do is just check any of the boxes that appear in this window here. So you can see I have 2 folders that come up, and this is where I can save almost 82 gigabytes of space. So you just need to select all of the options that appear for you and then press Clean Up. Now, once you've done that, the last thing we're going to do is head over to your Start menu and just search for Defragment, and then click on Defragment and Optimize Drives. Then you want to make sure your C drive is selected and click Optimize. And this should only take a few seconds to run, and then we can close out of this window, and then you can try restarting your computer, and that should have improved any slow load up times you're experiencing. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.